Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this Apple account has not yet been used in the iTunes store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and whenever you try to download or install any app from your app store, you might see an error that this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So you have to very first go back from here and just open your settings. Then scroll down to general, go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back and go to VPN device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, just go back and here go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset and select reset network settings. You can also try to reset your network settings. And after resetting the network settings, just go to your app store, then tap on the profile option at the top right, tap on your Apple ID, and just verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. After entering password, just tap on the sign in option, and after that you will get your account settings. So you just have to make sure change some settings. So if you have any payment method, so I recommend you have to try to delete or remove your payment method first, then you can re-add it again by using this simple method. Just go to your country or region option here and just select your own country or region in which you are living. So for example, I'm going to select this one from here, and then tap on this continue option, and then tap on agree at the top right. So after that, you might have to add your payment method here, or if you don't have any payment method, just select the none option from here, and here you have to add your billing address. So it might be the problem with your billing address. You just have to try to add your street. These are optional, so you can skip them. Then to your postcode, your town, your country, your phone number, the name, and after all, just have a done option at the top right, and your country or region will be updated, your billing address, and also your payment method will be updated to your Apple ID. So your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to use another Apple ID, or you can also try to go ahead to your Apple Sport app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Sport Web. Select iPhone from here, select more options, select App Store, and just wait for the loading. Then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Callers. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.